Hello from paradise, Pileh Blue Lagoon, and beach adventure right here. This is how it looks like, the Blue Lagoon at Pileh, Thailand. And it looks like paradise. So let's not wait any longer and dive in right away. This is paradise. This is paradise. Pileh Blue Lagoon in Phuket, Thailand. Amazing. Beach Adventures with Chris is on island exploring here in Phuket, Thailand, and I'm on a full day trip. And the trip started off at the Phuket uh, port for the speedboats, and after 45 minutes, we arrived here in paradise at the first stop, which is the Blue Lagoon in Pileh. And there is so beautiful nature all around, and there's even a swimming zone here. It's so nice and beautiful. Here the depth where I am is 5 meters, and just look at the color of the water, it's spectacular. And I will explore in a bit also further in. It is beautiful, magical paradise. But let's dive in here once again. Amazing. Amazing. Now there are lots of speedboats today, and you could head off also taken the smaller boats, private boats as well. But this is really amazing. I'm so glad that I came to Thailand to explore this beauty, and just look at this marvelous piece of beauty over here. It's so beautiful. Wow. Yes, today is 21st of December 2024, and it is around 30 degrees Celsius right now. And yeah, let's dive in a bit here and see how it is. Beautiful. So beautiful indeed. Look at that. This is paradise. Yes. Pileh Island in Phuket, Thailand. Paradise on earth. And the first stop for today, there are gonna be a few more stops. Beautiful. Amazing. It was definitely the right choice to come on a boat tour, on this Phi Island boat tour that will go first on this island Pileh, then it will go to Phi One, which is the main island, and then it will end on another island, Kai, that's closer to the Phuket mainland. But yes, just look at this beauty. Beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Blue Lagoon. Cool, then that's a wrap for now from Pileh Blue Lagoon in Phuket, Thailand. Actually, this will belong more to Krabi now that I think of. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.